Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. Now in this video we will see about vendor payment journal. Now let me open Notepad. So usually what you do, if you see our normal PO process, you create a PO, you add your lines, then you confirm your PO, then you do your product receipt, then you do invoicing. So creating a PO is nothing, just creating an entry, then confirming is that you will get some kind of goods from your vendor. Then when you actually receive goods from your vendor, then you do a product receipt, and then your vendor gives you an invoicing like bill, so then you add that bill into your invoicing. Now at the end you will need to do a payment in case of a purchase order. So till here everything is done. So what I will do, I will open my purchase order, and so let me do one thing quickly. Let me do the invoicing and payment right away for a vendor. So let me open this. Let me do one thing here. So I will create a new purchase order. Let me quickly create it. I will go with this Acme Supplies. I will click OK. And here I will add my item. I will select this one. I will say I want this in this warehouse, and let us say whatever comes here. And let's say I'm receiving 101 quantities, and I'm going to quickly confirm my purchase order. So this is nothing, we are getting a kind of confirmation from our vendor. Then once we receive the items, I can do my product receipt. So this is PO number 132, so I can write something like this. So this would be generally number will be given by your vendor invoice number, and let me click OK. Now here I am doing my product receipt posting, and that is also completed. Now I will do invoicing. Now my vendor will send me an invoice, so I'm going to do entry of that into my system. Here you need to again give a number here, so let's say 132. Let me select the invoice date as today, and due date is this, which is a month ahead from current date. And here I will do my update match status, and it's passed now. I will post it. Okay, now my this cycle is completed. From here to here I have just created this complete cycle. Now the next cycle would be to create to do the actual payment. Either you will do some kind of integration by which you will do an instant payment through D365 in real time, or else you will do a kind of manual entry, or something will be there depending upon your projects. Now I will go to my payment. So when you collapse through, you go to payments. Here you have vendor payment journal. I'm going to create a new vendor payment. I will select this VendPay. I will go to line. So here I need to do payment for this Acme Supplies. This is 1001. So I will say 1001 here. So it will get auto populate. Let me save this. And now I will click on the settle transaction. And here you will see a lot of entries, but if you see this one is the one which we created. So if you go here, and let me go to our purchase order total. So 9595, and when you minus your this with your cash discount, let me paste this minus with this cash discount. So there are certain rules by which it is coming. So it's 9547 9547.02. Yeah, this is the actual amount to settle in USD. Okay, so this is the correct one. I can simply click OK. Now once you click OK here, it's okay, let me again click here. I click on mark fully settled. Okay, I will click on OK. Okay, now you see all the information is coming here automatically. With this 9447 total debit, the balance is overall 0, so we need to maintain it. And here you see this is the actual amount, and here the offset account is this, and here you can provide the check number if in case. Okay, let me try to validate it. Okay, so it is validating. So now let me post this vendor payment journal. So here we are actually, entering into our system that we are doing the actual payment to our vendor. Okay, posting results, check number must be filled in. Okay, I was starting here for voucher. Let me see if there is any other method. So instead of check, let me do an electronic payment here. Let me try to post it. Okay, now this one just got posted. Further, you can go to vouchers to see your transaction. So here you see these two accounts, like your accounts payable and bank account. Okay, you have this much transaction from your bank account that has gone into your vendor's account, like that is account payable other. The vendor name is this, vendor account, all the information are available here. And here you can get all the information. General account entry, this is our voucher number. And now even if we'll go to customer, so click OK here. Let me go to header. And when we'll go to this vendor, Acme Supplies, and when I will go to my transaction, and when I will filter it with closed, okay, and you see the current date transactions are available here. And I think this is the cash discount that we got here. So even that is also coming into our vendor transaction. So this was the cash discount. Okay, and this was the voucher that gets created, and this was our accounts payable one. Invoiced, yeah, and this is under our closed. And here we get a different kind of other information. So maybe not very helpful, but yeah. Method of payment. Alright, so thanks for watching this video.